Most construction companies don't lose money on site. They lose it before the job even starts. And it all comes down to one thing: estimating. I've seen profitable companies go broke with full order books because their numbers were wrong from day one. Here's the reality. Estimating in construction isn't just pricing a job. It's predicting the future with incomplete information. And most contractors make the same mistakes. They underprice risk. They miss key costs. They rely on outdated data. And worst of all, they chase turnover instead of profit. That's how you win work and still go backwards. I worked with a contractor turning over $8 million a year. Busy, growing, winning jobs, but constantly struggling for cash. We reviewed one of their profitable projects. On paper, it had a 12% margin. In reality, they'd missed prelims, undercooked labor, and ignored program risk. The job finished at a 4% loss. And that wasn't the only one. Multiply that across 10 projects. That's how companies collapse. Slowly, then all at once. Here are 7 reasons this happens. 1. Underpricing risk. If you're not pricing for delays and changes, you're gambling. Fix. Add explicit risk allowances. 2. Missing prelims and indirect costs. These small costs kill margin. Fix. Use a structured prelims template. 3. Bad labor assumptions. Optimistic labor rates destroy your margin. Fix. Use real productivity data. 4. Outdated rates. If your data is old, your margin is gone. Fix. Use live supplier pricing. 5. No link between estimate and delivery. When the estimate is forgotten, site teams run blind. Fix. Turn your estimate into a live cost plan. 6. No CVR feedback loop. Don't repeat mistakes. Fix. Feed actual costs back into future estimates. 7. Chasing revenue. Instead of margin, turnover doesn't pay bills. Cash does. Fix. Prioritize margin. Estimating is not a pricing exercise. It's a financial control system. If your estimate is wrong, everything after it is damage control. The best contractors don't just win work. They win the right work at the right margin. If you want to improve your margins, fix your cash flow, and actually make money on your projects, start with your estimating. Subscribe to StruVara for more real-world construction finance strategies. And drop a comment below. What's the biggest estimating mistake you've seen?